Let's discuss varicella abscess drainage. Varicella, commonly known as chickenpox, is a viral infection that causes an itchy rash with blisters. While the virus itself causes discomfort, a significant complication arises when bacteria, such as staphylococcus, enter these broken blisters through scratching. This secondary bacterial invasion can lead to a localized collection of pus deep within the skin tissues, forming what medical professionals call a varicella abscess. These painful abscesses are often warm to the touch, increasingly red, and swollen, demanding proper clinical attention immediately. Not every skin complication from chickenpox requires a surgical procedure, but a true abscess filled with trapped pus will not heal with standard oral antibiotics alone. When the fluid collection becomes large, exceptionally painful, or displays spreading redness, a doctor must physically drain the site. Prompt drainage is essential to immediately relieve the severe pressure, halt the spread of dangerous bacterial infections into deeper layers of skin, and significantly accelerate the overall healing process for the patient, preventing serious systemic complications. The process of draining a varicella abscess is a straightforward medical procedure usually performed in an outpatient clinic or emergency room. First, the healthcare provider thoroughly cleanses the skin and applies a local anesthetic to numb the area, ensuring the patient feels minimal discomfort. Next, a small, precise incision is made directly over the center of the swelling to allow the trapped pus and infected fluid to escape freely. The cavity is then gently washed out with sterile saline solution, and a small piece of gauze may be inserted temporarily to ensure the wound remains open. Proper care after the procedure is absolutely vital to ensure the wound heals perfectly and to avoid reinfection. Patients or parents must keep the surgical dressing clean and dry, changing it regularly according to the specific instructions provided by the medical team. Taking the full course of prescribed antibiotics is mandatory, even if the skin looks completely healed within a few days. Monitoring the site for signs of worsening redness or a new fever is crucial, as these symptoms indicate you need to contact your healthcare provider for a timely follow-up evaluation.